What's up you guys? My name is Jency V. Today we are going to be doing a winter look. I'm gonna be showing you a lot of the products that I use and I prefer or suggest to use during the winter times, because let me tell you, it's just like summer. It doesn't mean it's dry, it's not gonna melt down. If there's gonna be a mist outside, it's going to melt. So you want the best products for your skin. Also, I'm gonna be uploading more on Sunday and Wednesday. I've learned to prioritize my health over anything this year. So always prioritize yourself first, you guys, because it's not worth the success if you're not even going to take care of yourself. So always take care of yourself, okay? Alright guys, this is a simple winter look. It's all blue. So we're gonna be using some light green, some blues, some dark blues, some black, some silver. So it's a lot of winter colors, some fun colors. And alright you guys, let's get into the video. Since I've been really tired, I've been using this product Olay Eyes, and it has been working really good for me. And I don't know all the ingredients in this one, but I've read so many reviews about this. So before I put makeup on, I would use this ring finger right here and just gently tap it underneath. You have the thinnest skin layer under your eyes, so just gently tap. Right now I only put it at night, so I don't know if you can already tell. It kind of like brighten it up a little bit. So I have been showing you guys the Neutrogena hyaluronic acid glow primer plus serum hydra boost. I still recommend this for your primer, but recently I have been switching to more SPF in my skin with Neutrogena Invisible Daily Defense Lotion with 60 plus SPF, and it's water resistant for 80 minutes. And I still recommend this for summer and winter. So you want some primer, you want a lot of SPF in your makeup to protect your skin at all times. Keeps your skin more youthful. It's just something that really works for me. And the best thing about this, it doesn't feel like a sunscreen that is like greasy, you know, like most sunscreens. This one dries. Like right now, it makes my skin so smooth and it's dry. It doesn't even feel greasy at all. Now with my foundation, I have been using Fit Me foundation. I've been using this for years, and I actually want to try new foundations. Maybe when I run out, but by next year I'm gonna be trying a lot of new things. So I usually like to put my foundation using my finger. It's up to you if you want to use your brush, but I like using my finger just cause it blends well with the warmth of my skin. Also, my skin tone for the Fit Me foundation is 240 Golden Beige. Right now I'm gonna be using the Almay Skin Perfecting Comfort Concealer. This is what it looks like. It's a stick concealer. I have been switching a lot with Neutrogena and Almay, but this is my recent favorite. So in the winter, it's so dry. You want to moisturize your skin as much as possible. So I recommend having like a skin mist or whatever to spray on your skin, or having like an oil-based makeup if you are gonna be outside a lot more in the cold. And with your makeup, you guys, less is more, and you don't want to put too much and you don't want to cake too much of your face, because once you're outside and out in the cold, your skin starts to dry a lot more. So now I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Hydra Perfect loose powder or setting powder. I am the number light 917. Also with powder, I recommend using less. Of course, like I said, less is more. You don't want to put too much because that's also gonna cause the cracks. I'm also gonna be showing you how I do it when I start to set everything. It works so good. It really blends in with my skin, with whatever setting spray I have. So watch till the end. Now I'm gonna do my brows real quick. Alright, so basically I use the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade Deep Brown 380 for my brows. And it came with the brush like this. And alright, with my palette like this, I'm actually going to be using a little bit of green. Light green, and I'm gonna start that all the way to the top of my crease line. So for having hooded eyes, I usually just kind of like make a line from the bridge of my nose to the end of my brows. Can you guys believe that this year is almost over? It's so fast, you guys. So many things has happened in my life this year, and it was a lot of self-healing and self-development, and it was such a journey. It was quite a journey, and I'm glad that you guys are becoming part of it. Alright, so we did that little green right there. Now I'm gonna be using my blue right below it. I don't know if you can see it right here, and I'm just gonna dab that kind of just in tapping motion, kind of blending that in with the green, going back and forth. Now I'm gonna brush that on my lower lash line. Now with the same brush, I'm gonna be using a little bit darker blue, and I'm just gonna dab that right in the corner. Don't worry, we're gonna clean all of that at the end. So with my flat brush, it's kind of fluffy but flat. I don't know if you could wait, I don't know if you could tell. It's like flat but fluffy. Flat but fluffy. I don't know. It's always so good to make sure that your brushes are damp, because your colors are a lot more pigmented. Get my white, and I'm gonna put that right on my inner corners of my eyes. So I'm using the same brush. I'm gonna dab this right on that blue. Now I'm gonna use that right on my lower lash line. Now with the flat brush, dab a little bit of black, and I'm kind of just going just a thin layer. Kind of making it as an eyeliner using my eyeshadow, but it just looks really soft. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a little bit of a wing line, just a little bit. Now you can tell that there's still, you know, some color right there, but we're gonna fix that in a little bit. We're just gonna make that wing line, make it even. I'm gonna go back to my white, you guys, And I'm gonna highlight this brow bone right here. And I'll get your concealer and we're gonna clean them up. Right, with a sponge, I'ma gently just blend that in. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to my channel and like this video for me to know that you actually enjoy my videos and I can make some more content for you guys. Okay, now let's continue with contouring our face. Now I'm gonna go straight to my nose. We're gonna go back to our eyes later after contouring. I like to make my lines really thin to make my nose thin. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a circle right here. It's just kind of making it look like there's a point. So I'm blending that in. And with my pink, it's like a light pink blush. I'm gonna just tap that right in the middle of my nose, my cheek. Not too much. I don't want it to look like I had blush on. I just want to look like, oh, it's cold outside, so it makes my cheeks red and my nose red. I think that's really cute. So I'm gonna use my Kiss lashes now. Now with my liquid eyeliner, I'm gonna actually cover the glue up, like kind of like a retouch. To put mascara on, I prefer using a waterproof if you're gonna be out in the cold a lot more. Even if you're outside and it's still misty, and if you're not using waterproof, your mascara is still gonna melt. Since with my color being so tan, I'm gonna be using tan highlighter. This is what it looks like. Light pink and more like a tan looking, gold looking highlight. This kind of just blends in with the color of my skin. And I still want highlight on my cheeks. Now I have a crazy makeup on. Usually don't want to use too crazy lip color. I'm gonna be using the 980 Rebel Rouge matte lipstick. Make sure that you're always putting a moisturizer or a lip gloss. Alright you guys, now it is time to do the last step for makeup, is to set it. I'm gonna zoom this in. I'm gonna show you that ever since like this whole time doing my makeup and changing my I don't know if you can see the crease lines right here when I'm like smiling, and it leaves it like that line right there. I'm gonna spray my setting spray. This is a NYX Dewy Finish, and I'm almost out. Oh my gosh. So what I'm gonna do is that when I spray, and I'm gonna have my sponge ready, all dry, and once I spray, it's not gonna dry as fast, but this actually will last you all day long when you have this. So spray it, just not too much, okay? Okay, so now you feel your face all moist up or a little bit of wet. Now you want to smile, and on those crease lines right here, you kind of want to just blend and like you tap and smooth it out a little bit. So you want to smooth it out like this way and that way. No, so you wanna smile, and the lines on your smile area right here, you wanna blend that one as well, and you do this like angry face. You wanna blend that in as well. So all the crease lines on your face where it moves a lot, kind of like tap and smooth, like tap and drag, but not too much. So not to the point where it takes off all your makeup. It's just to blend it. So this is the finished look. It was actually pretty simple. I hope that was pretty simple for you guys. And if you have not done it yet, please subscribe to my channel, and also like this video or smash the like button down below to help me with my YouTube algorithm. Click that notification bell down below to get notified for my next upcoming videos. Without further ado, I'll see you guys on my next one.